Neil Hooper, Managing Director of Aflex Hose, and I'd like to welcome you to Aflex's new home here at Bradley Business Park. At Aflex Hose, we design, develop and manufacture our hoses from raw materials to finished products. We produce the most technically advanced range of PTFE lined flexible hose products in the world. Our comprehensive approach gives us an unrivaled ability to meet the specific needs of our customers. As part of the Marlow Fluid Technology Group, our quality products are backed by a global network of specialist engineers to partner with our customers for their fluid transfer applications. Since 2018, with the support and investment of the group, we've been building a new purpose-built manufacturing and office facility at Bradley Park, Huddersfield, which today I am immensely proud to show you. The 17,000 square metre factory includes newly installed extrusion lines and processing equipment to increase our production, ensuring our customers receive the same high quality products we have built our reputation over the past 45 years. There is no change in raw material type, grade or source, nor is there any change to the processing method. Following installation, each process line was revalidated and its output compared with the production before we move sites. Located just a few miles from its previous main site, the seamless transition to the new facility consolidates its 4 UK manufacturing operations into one. It has enabled us to maintain our highly skilled workforce and improve production flow whilst providing space for our continued growth into new and existing markets. Sustainability, manufacturing consistently high quality products and supply continuity is of paramount importance at Aflex. We kept these principles in mind throughout the transition, building an inventory throughout the planning stages to ensure our customers' security during the validation processes, and maintained a dialogue with certification bodies audits, arranged to transfer our certificates to the new production site, ensuring the continued quality assurance.